Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So we are doing another Dollar Tree makeup look using new products from Dollar Tree. I have so much stuff to try out with you guys. We have some dupes, rare beauty dupes. So crazy what they're coming out with. I am honestly shocked. This is the look I came up with. Do you guys, does this not look like I'm wearing like higher end makeup? It's kind of crazy how everything on my face is from Dollar Tree. Minus the brows are CoverGirl, but everything else is Dollar Tree. So get ready, go grab a little snack, a drink, whatever you want, and get ready for this Dollar Tree makeup look. Let's get into it. Bold of me to try and film a makeup tutorial when they're practicing for the Memorial Day air show right now. But we're gonna work through it. You guys, today we were doing a Dollar Tree makeup look, and let's just get started. I am barefaced right now. My hair is in these like little crimps. I'm feeling very mermaid with this hair. I just took it out of French braids. I slept in them overnight. But anyways, I have a lot of new stuff to play with. So as always, I think we're gonna start out with the eyes first, and then we'll work on the face. Something fun. I have this LA Colors eyeshadow palette, and then I also have this glitter liner from Ioni. So this glitter liner is because it looks so much like the Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy glitter liner, except this one I feel like leans a little bit more rosy tone, but they are so similar. A eyeshadow here from Flower, this like cream gel shadow that's really pretty. I think maybe we could try that. Putting on eyeshadow primer. This is the Shop Miss A one. I think it's like $1.55. Just pop that into the crease to get a start on a look here. Do anything too dark because I am going to the gym today, and I don't want people to be like, well, she looks like, what is this, full glam? So I don't want to do anything too insane, but something springy and fun. $1.25. I do really like the LA Colors eyeshadows. Okay, so that is on. Last time, I feel like maybe I did, I also have these bubble tea eyeshadows. These are really good if you can find them. They're very similar. Like anytime you get these little quads from LA Colors, they're all gonna be very similar. I don't know if I've seen these a lot recently, but if you can find the 6 pans, these are actually my favorite. I've talked about these so many times, but I love these. The quality is so nice. And pick up a little bit of that brown in the corner here and just use a little bit on the outer corner. Just lightly to like smoke out the eye. You guys, you know what I was thinking the other day? I have not been to New York City. When you live on Long Island, we just call it the city. But in case anyone who's watching is not from New York, I have not been to New York City in so long. Honestly, I've been a little bit scared to go there because I heard it's been really dangerous. Here comes the air show. So I've kind of been staying away. Like I've been invited to some events, but I just haven't gone. Underneath my eye as well, like under here. Yeah, so I got invited to a few events that I did want to go to, but I was just like, I'm a little scared. Like you just don't know. There's so many like crazy people and you don't know what's gonna happen. So a really cool event that I wanted to go to, and it was like how they look at your colors, which I want to do so bad. Like they analyze your colors and put up different colors next to your skin tone, and I don't think you wear any makeup or anything, and then they see what colors and like warms, cools, which exact colors look best on you, even like hair colors, and then you can kind of just take that information, and then it's easier when you go shopping, like, oh, this color looks the best on me, my skin tone, my eye color. So I just thought that was pretty cool. Cool product too that I found, the Almay eyeshadow, but I feel like it doesn't show up, but let's try it. It's like this little shadow, and it's just like sparkles, honestly, like when you put your finger in. Let me kind of maybe use it as like a topper, might be cool. Like a sparkly topper, but it's so light. Yeah, I actually kind of like it as a topper, even if you put it in like the middle of your eye. Filming in natural daylight again today, and I absolutely love filming in natural daylight. I think it is so much fun. It just feels free when I do this, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some liner. This is the Marilyn Monroe hard candy one. I use this all the time. I got this from Dollar Tree like 2 years ago, and I still use it and love it. So let's just go ahead and do a little wing. I literally regret not buying multiples of these. is before, well, it's when I was just doing like full-time influencing, and it makes me so nostalgic. Like that was literally so much fun when I was like just doing that, and I devoted all my time to it. Now you guys know I work full-time but from home, and that does take up a lot of my time, but I just try and make it work, because honestly it's nice to have the extra money from my full-time job to be able to get the stuff from Dollar Tree, Marshalls. You know, I feel like I can just shop a little more freely and not feel so bad because I know I have a full-time job, so I'm also able to save. That's like also another thing I want to say to you guys. Like a lot of my videos are shopping, but I never want you guys to feel like you have to go out and buy everything. I certainly don't, and it's the reason why I got an extra job, is so I'm able to afford those things. I always want you guys to also make sure you're saving money, save for retirement, you know, just make sure, like, not trying to like put anyone on blast or sound, what's the word, like preachy, but just want to stress the importance of also saving your money. Although we do shop at affordable places like Dollar Tree and Walmart and Marshalls, places that have discounts, like we're not over here purchasing luxury items. Want my channel to feel like a safe space for you guys to come and hang out and just relax, watch me do my makeup while maybe you're doing your makeup, and chat together. Like I just want chill vibes and just fun, like shopping, makeup, beauty, faith, all that fun stuff that we love to talk about here. About life, we talk about cats, we talk about everything. I love when you guys comment, like it literally makes my day. Like I love connecting with you guys. Maybe I can do something with this liner. This is Rodeo Drive. Let's see, maybe I can do like a little wing of some sort. I got a little bit, but you can honestly like just put this over the black line if you wanted to, and just do like a glittery black wing, because I feel like on its own it's not like bold enough to have like a solid gold line. Air show. A second, I'm like, did I put on my sunscreen today? Yes, I did. Make sure you guys are putting on your face sunscreen and bring it all the way down to your chest and neck as well. Absolute favorite, but it's more just like natural, but it's definitely not my favorite mascara that I've ever used. Like I don't feel like it's giving me a lot of volume, unfortunately. I love when you guys give out product, oh my neck just cracked, product recommendations, so we can all check them out in the comments. So even if it's like a favorite Dollar Tree product, you can comment that and we will all try it out. Although I feel like I literally own the entire makeup aisle at Dollar Tree. I have it like in my basket here. I have so much stuff, it's insane. And then I have more in my drawer. That's like the one thing I will say, like I love trying all the Dollar Tree makeup, but sometimes I get so overwhelmed because I have to have so much of it and I try so much of it. Oh, I messed up, you guys. I messed up. It looks so bad. What the heck? I have to fix that. It looks so bad. Okay guys, I'm back. My camera had to like recharge itself. We have new brushes at Dollar Tree and I am so pumped to share this with you guys. So I already tried one, the concealer brush, and I had posted this and one of my Instagram followers was like, that looks like the Rare Beauty brush. And I was like, oh my gosh. So I went on Sephora and I looked and it did. So I'm like, Rare Beauty brush dupe. And then we also have the new, these are Sassy and Chic by the way, new Sassy and Chic foundation brush, which you can use with creams, liquids, and powders. And when I tell you guys, these are so soft. Oh my gosh. Ooh. And it's angled, so you can also use it for contour. It's very multi-purpose. So here are the new brushes, and there's more, but I have not found them yet. So when I find the other ones, I will grab those as well. I also wet my Dollar Tree marble sponge. This is like, has some sort of, what do you call it? Like stuff in it that helps to, what's that word? I can't think of it. Like, brain, come on brain, think of things. Antimicrobial. Okay, that's what it was. She's still with it. I'm like brain fog recently. I'm like, what the heck? I need to go to like a naturopath to get a test done to see what the heck that is, because I just feel like I've been having a little bit of trouble focusing recently. Also an issue. The TikTok scroll scrolling. And Instagram scrolling does not help with your brain at all. It's so bad for you. And hair, it's so big. I have the Clean Beauty Glow Foundation, but I actually got the deeper color Golden Bronze for when I'm self-tan, which right now you can see I am self-tan. And then I also have this new La Mercier liquid foundation. So I'm like, maybe I can mix them together because I already know I love the Glow Foundation. It's so good. I have that new foundation brush. There's so many fun things going on right now. So many fun things. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix these two. This one looks kind of like a lip gloss applicator. That brand, the La Mercier, it's kind of been like a little bit of a miss for me, not gonna lie. Okay, so let's put this on the brush. Oh, I forgot to do lashes. We'll do those a little later. Then I'm gonna add the La Mercier. I took it out specifically for this moment. Oh, here it is. The Be Pure Blur Face Primer in the pink, it's pink. We're gonna put this on. And this literally does blur your skin. It's kind of crazy. So I gotta say, Be Pure is crushing it. They have such good stuff. And I cannot wait to work with them again. Oh my gosh, this literally mattified my skin flawlessly. My skin looks a little red right now. Okay, so now we're gonna blend this foundation in. Just hit myself in the neck. Oh wait, I wanted to use, hello, the Dollar Tree foundation brush. We're gonna blend it down the neck so it blends in with my self-tan. Okay, let's add a little more. I'm again mixing both of them. Hopefully this color looks decent. I saw, okay, obviously this is like not my skin's color, but I'm again just mixing it to match my self-tan. I don't know if I love this brush for foundation. I feel like I will like it more for blush. I'm gonna be honest with you guys because that's how we do here on my channel. Concealer, we're gonna use the Be Pure Hydrating Under Eye. Definitely one of my favorites. It's also can be used as a foundation. I've seen some girlies do that. And we're gonna put some on the concealer brush and then blend that in. So this is definitely gonna be light. I'm just realizing because this foundation shade is kind of, you know, deeper because of my tan. But what's cool about concealer is you can actually also use this to contour your nose. So I like to bring it onto the sides of my nose. And even without doing a nose contour, you can shape your nose with the concealer, which is so fun. I've been doing that recently. Like I said, I didn't really do any crazy eye look today. Just something light and fun. Because I just want to like try all the products basically. Okay. It definitely is brightening. We're gonna set that. That is set. I also feel so weird because my brows are not done, so I feel like everything looks incomplete. But I do want to put on lashes. I got the same lashes. All right, well, I'll use one for a giveaway. These are the Light Foxy Crisscross Half Lashes. Okay, lashes are on. They are absolutely beautiful. I love them so much, you guys. I like these better than full lashes, so get the halfling lashes. I also went ahead and put on, what did I put on? Oh, my brows. Dollar Tree. It's actually these new products from CoverGirl. This is the Brow Enhancer Gel Wax. It gives you that like really pretty, like I just laminated my brows. Look like you can see they look almost kind of wet. And then this is the brow liner. It's a nano brow pencil and I've just been loving this combo. I feel like it makes my brows just look a lot more natural and I love, love, love the look instead of like a super like boxy brow. And now we're gonna move on to, let's do some blush. So I want to try the liquid blush from Ioni. We have two shades, Uptown and the Pier. This one's more like a light pink and this one's more like a deeper pink. So let us check it out. Okay, and I'm hoping that these are gonna give like some Rare Beauty vibes. Cute. Let's see what the applicator looks like. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's the big applicator that looks like the same as Rare Beauty. Oh my gosh, look at that color. The prettiest baby pink. Let's blend that out with that Dollar Tree brush. I think this might look super similar to Happy from Rare Beauty. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I love this color. This is so on trend for like how everyone's liking the baby pinks right now. And you can layer it and add some more. I go to the gym with this much makeup on. I feel really weird if I do, especially like lashes at the gym. It's just like, I'm gonna be sweaty. I don't know. I might have to take the lashes off before I go. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Like, what the heck? How is this stuff from Dollar Tree? Like the foundation, this, you guys, I'm blown away. Also wanted to try this, hoping it could be, it says it's a highlighter, and I also have another highlighter, Ioni highlight in 90210. So let's try these. I'm wondering if also this chubby stick could be used as like a inner corner. I'm gonna put that just like on the inner corner. Usually I do like a super stark white on the inner corner, but I think this could be like a nice change, doing something a little bit more shimmery. So I'm putting everything back in its packaging because I also have to film this very same look or tutorial for TikTok. Okay, I love that. And then I have a new bronzer from, get this back in here, from LA Colors. It's like a gel bronzer. It'd be like very messy, but it's a gel bronzer in Sunflower. Telling me it's gonna have to be set with like a powder. I don't know if I can just wing this. Mirrors me. I feel like this mirror's making my face look really round right now and I don't like it. What the heck? Okay, this could work, possibly. I'm gonna put some on that brush and just kind of, I don't know. It's a little, okay, that's pretty. Thought it was gonna be a little too messy, but you just kind of have to get used to like using a cream. I've used creams, but this is like liquid, so it's a little scary, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I don't want to mess this up, but honestly the color is very forgiving. The liquid blushes are unreal. You guys have to grab those. Like, amazing launch from Ioni. From ColourPop. Oh, I think Nick's home. I'm gonna have to stop filming for a second to let him walk in, because I'm filming with literally like in the living room. Lipstick, and I've been loving these lipsticks. Ooh, this is interesting. Oh, this is pretty. Ah, got it on my tooth. Never disappoints with the lip. I think we need a gloss. And Cuddles, this is like my favorite. So pretty. New finishing glow spray in Hollywood from Ioni. It has like gold sparkles in it. So it says to shake well. You can use it to lock in your makeup. Lightweight cooling mist, refresh your makeup without creasing or fading. And you shake it like the gold sparkles. So hopefully it's not too crazy, but here we go. Doesn't smell very good. Ooh, but wow. Okay. That looks good. Okay guys, here's the final makeup look. I cannot believe that these products are $1.25. I feel like I'm wearing, honestly, makeup from Sephora. It's kind of crazy. I love how the look came out. Let me back up a little so you guys can see better. Love it. Definite standout today was the liquid blushes. They're literally just like Rare Beauty. It's crazy. I love the new brushes from Sassy and Chic. The foundations, amazing. The Ioni lashes, and what else did I use? It's like the majority of what I use, but yeah, Dollar Tree, they are like really stepping up the game, and you can get looks like this. You do not need to spend a lot of money. I say it every time, but it's true. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.